Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We're camping at Lake Havasu and we're gonna try to make something new. We're gonna try to make some cookies in the skillet. Never done it before, but let's see if it works. So now we're just gonna take all of our cookies and put them into our skillet. And we're gonna turn it on about a medium to low. So after 13 minutes, they look like this. We are just gonna keep cooking them. And I might turn up the heat just a little bit. Now after 23 minutes, the cookie is getting brown around the edges, so I don't want it to burn. So I'm going to take it off the heat and let it cool down, and then we'll eat it. Well, after about 5 to 10 minutes of cooling, it looks like a warmed skillet cookie. Looks pretty good to me. Parts of the cookie are totally black and other parts are a nice golden brown color, so I did find that this cooked very unevenly. You never learn until you try. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do and try out this cookie.